Okay, now I would like to share with you how to make the pastry of the taco. Today my son asked me to cook a taco. Last time I cooked taco when we were in Postanai, Kazakhstan. Okay, first I keep the flour in my box now is 250 gram, and then this one is a baking soda and little bit baking powder, and I will put also salt. I put it. I think I put extra salt, half of teaspoon. I'm mixing and gently I put milk, oil, 2 tablespoon. Usually I put milk together with oil so they can mix it nicely. If you think the dough is too hard, you can adding some more milk. I will share with you 3 ways of the way we make a pastry for taco. And now I'm using my hand to get the layer when you fry. Like this, back, put it back, put it back, and then you ripe like that. How do you know the dough is solid together? When there is nothing remain on your finger. Okay, finish. Keep the dough the plastic, keep that, start resting for 10 minutes. Yeah. And then next we make another one. Okay, the second pastry is the same, 250 gram multi-purpose flour, and then 2 spoon cooking oil, salt, half teaspoon, and then I will use my baking soda, half teaspoon, and I adding cornstarch for 50 gram. Hot water, it's not really hot, I mean warm. This one. The reason why I use one, because we use the cornstarch, so they can feel like solid the flour with the cornstarch, and then when you fry, it will be crispy. The second dough, after you mix together all ingredients, it's become like this. I feel like warm because I'm using the warm water. So that's this pastry rest. We keep it in the box and we cover it. Okay, the third pastry, I didn't use milk, but I used water, normal temperature, and the rest is the same. 250 gram flour without cornstarch, only baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Mix with the water and cooking oil. Mix it. For the third pastry, we're kneading like this. Again, we put inside and we flip here and we flip there, and like this. Now, all together we keep 10 minutes. Let them resting, and we prepare the stove. Dough, we cook the same way without oil. This is the one with milk, bubble. This is the one with water. Now we will do the one with cornstarch. we waiting for the oil heat. This is the way you must cook, like this. You press in the middle so that they have a gap. You have meeting together between left and right, and you buka. This is the result from the 3 recipe how to make taco tortilla pastry. This one with milk. The rest ingredient is the same, but I didn't use with cornstarch. This is with the water, like this. With milk, and this one with the cornstarch, so we can fill inside the gap, like this. Every country the flour, even purpose flour, multi-purpose flour, will get the result is different. So it's depend on the flour, because when I try in Kostanai a different result, and now I'm in Hanoi also different result, but the technique it will be the same. The way you fry, the way you kneading, the way you rolling with the pin, and the way you put the heat. So I will cook the filler and I will post it in separately video. This video I only focus how to make 3 different recipes for taco. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you the part 2 for the filler of tortilla taco.